I greet you again, visitor, and welcome you to my YouTube channel. The only request I have of you is to watch 50 seconds, 1 minute of this video clip, and according to the title you will definitely appreciate this posted clip. In the clip presented today I will talk/explain about tips and step-by-step explanations for the career of passenger aircraft pilot. The life of a pilot is both exciting and challenging, involving much more than simply operating an aircraft. To provide a comprehensive perspective, here are a number of useful tips covering various aspects of pilot life, from training and career to work-life balance. 1. Required education and certifications. On the beginning of the road. Private pilot license, PPL. This is the first stage and allows private flights without remuneration. It is essential that you accumulate a minimum number of flying hours and pass a theory and practical exam. Commercial pilot license, CPL, allows commercial flights. It requires additional flight hours and a more complex exam. Airline pilot certificate, ATPL. This is the highest level and required to become an aircraft commander with major airlines. B. Continuing education. Type rating courses, required for each type of aircraft you wish to fly. Recurrent training courses. Pilots must complete continuing training courses and participate in simulation training to maintain their licenses and skills. 2. Career and employment options. A. Airlines. Major companies versus regional companies. Major companies offer better wages and benefits, but the requirements are stricter. Regional companies can offer faster advancement opportunities. B. Business and charter aviation. Flexibility and variety. These jobs may offer a more flexible schedule and the opportunity to fly to various destinations. C. Military aviation. Discipline and intensive training. Military aviation offers high-quality training, but requires a long-term commitment and rigorous discipline. 3. Health and physical condition. A. Medical requirements. Periodic medical examinations. Pilots must pass regular medical examinations to maintain their licenses. They assess general health, vision, hearing, and cognitive skills. Level 1, 2, and 3. Level 1 is required for airline pilots and involves the most stringent requirements. B. Healthy lifestyle. Nutrition. A balanced diet is essential to maintain energy and focus during long flights. Exercise. Regular physical activity helps maintain overall health and the ability to cope with stress. Rest. Adequate sleep is crucial for optimal performance and preventing fatigue. 4. Stress management and work-life balance. A. Cockpit stress. Procedures and standardization. Strictly following standard procedures helps reduce stress and prevent errors. Effective communication. Collaboration and clear communication with aircrew and air traffic control is essential. B. Work-life balance. Flight schedule. Be aware of your flight schedule and time away from home. Prioritize time spent with family and friends. Hobbies and recreational activities. Find activities that help you relax and disconnect from the stress of flying. 5. Safety and liability. A. Safety procedures. Regular training. Participating in drills and simulations to be prepared for any emergency situation. Advanced aircraft knowledge, deep understanding of aircraft systems and emergency procedures. B. Responsibility and ethics. Professionalism, maintaining a professional demeanor and compliance with aeronautical regulations. Error reporting, reporting errors and incidents to improve overall safety. 6. Communication and collaboration skills. A. Teamwork. Crew synergy, the ability to work well with other crew members to ensure a safe and efficient flight. Flexibility, adaptability to different crews and work styles. B. Communication with passengers. Clarity and calm, clear and calm communication with passengers, especially in situations of turbulence or delays. Empathy and professionalism, treating passengers with respect and empathy to ensure a pleasant experience. 7. Technical and technological aspects. At advanced aircraft knowledge. Systems and instruments, familiarity with all aircraft systems and instruments. Technology knowledge update, keeping up to date with the latest technological innovations and updates in the aviation industry. B. Navigation and flight planning. Route planning, efficient route planning to save fuel and avoid adverse weather conditions. Navigation systems, effective use of modern navigation systems such as GPS and flight management systems, FMS. 8. Legal aspects and regulations. Act compliance with regulations. FAA/EASA regulations, familiarization and RISP complying with the regulations of aviation authorities such as FAA, Federal Aviation Administration, and EASA, European Union Aviation Safety Agency. Operating manuals, strict adherence to operating manuals and specific airline procedures. B. Rights and responsibilities. Pilot rights, knowing your rights as a pilot regarding working conditions, rest time, and pay. Legal responsibilities, awareness of legal responsibilities in the event of air incidents or accidents. 9. Personal and professional development. A. Career advancement. Continuing education, attending courses and seminars to develop your skills and knowledge. Additional certifications, obtain additional certifications to specialize in different types of aircraft or management functions. B. Professional networks. Networking, building and maintaining a professional network in the aviation industry. Mentorship, finding an experienced mentor who can guide you in your career. 10. Cultural and international aspects. International flights. Cultural differences, understanding and respecting the cultural differences of passengers and crew. International rules, familiarity with international aviation regulations and procedures. B. Adaptability. Time zones, adapting to time zone differences and managing fatigue associated with long flights. Diverse weather conditions, preparing to fly in various weather and climate conditions. Conclusion. The life of a pilot is complex and full of responsibilities, but also of satisfaction. It involves an ongoing commitment to learning.